Every journey holds unexpected moments, and the best dash cams capture them all: your safety, your memories, your proof when it matters most. Imagine driving with quiet confidence, knowing every detail is recorded with clarity. These dash cams don't just film the road, they protect your story, your peace of mind, and every mile ahead. Number 1. Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2-4K Dual is one of the best overall dash cam units available today. The rear cam comes in at 1080p, i.e. the longtime standard marketing term high definition, which matches or exceeds many other units on the market, and the front camera is more impressive, sporting 2160p resolution, marketed as 4K, or Ultra HD, almost 4x the pixel count of 1080p. Each lens is wide-angle as well, which, combined, gives 185 degrees of coverage, just about the best of our lineup. Long story short, the R2-4K captures an incredible amount of information, without appearing distorted. License plates 2 to 3 vehicles ahead can be read just from a paused video, without zooming in. Very impressive, says lead tester Kyle Hameister. That level of detail will be invaluable when it comes time to present evidence of a hit and run, for example. The user experience feels smooth, and this is a unit with a ton of settings customizability, but install and setup take a bit longer than average. Our only other gripe is that the video frame rate appears fairly low, a necessary concession to help reduce the size of already large video files. The R2-4K Dual is not our highest scoring product outright, but it is a fantastic cam, and it is competitively priced. Regarding value, Kyle says, the Rove is what I'll be personally using in my daily driver, and what I would recommend to family. It's not cheap per se, but it's more than twice as good as units one half as much. Number 2. Miofive S1 Dash Cam. The Miofive S1 is a good value. It is roughly $80 less than the Rove and has more modest scores to match, but it has some features that we really like. GPS recording is the main one, a feature typically only available on models in the $200 plus price range. Beyond that, the usability is straightforward and better than some costlier units, so we feel that it's well worth your consideration. In the words of lead tester Kyle, the cheap options aren't worth the headache, they fail in strange ways and clearly don't live up to the manufacturer's claims. The Miofive is the cheapest good model as far as I'm concerned. What does that mean for you? Well, the S1 doesn't have the best video quality we've seen, despite the 4K resolution spec. The detail isn't bad, but the colors are dull and the lighting is flat, and perhaps a little dark. Everything seems in focus, but somehow blurry, says Kyle. The S1 only comes with a front-facing camera, which is part of what brings the cost down. A rear cam is available as an upgrade. As it stands, the S1 lacks the wow factor, but it is one of the few options at this price that can claim this level of reliability. If you're looking for the affordable option, we recommend going no lower than the S1. Number 3. Garmin Mini 3 Dash Cam. The Garmin Mini 3 is a unique entry in our lineup. It is indeed tiny, as the name suggests, and that comes with some notable pros and cons. To start, we need to praise Garmin for making the best user experience on a dash cam we've encountered. There is no LCD screen on the unit, and only 2 buttons total, so setup and interfacing with the unit is done entirely through the app. Despite this, the Mini 3 connects to the app quickly and painlessly, and it automatically sets up many of the settings based on your region, i.e., language, units of measure, that sort of thing. It feels like practically everything is done for you, though we do wish it didn't require an account setup. In terms of performance, it has a fairly standard 1080p resolution, but this is a rare model that comes with a polarized lens standard, which helps improve image quality by reducing glare. It's so small and lightweight that it's the only unit we consider worthy of the title unobtrusive. In the words of lead tester Kyle Hameister, it's so small, and works so smoothly that this is really the only unit I could see myself forgetting existed in my car. It just works. That said, video quality and coverage are both okay, but not great, and some of the more useful features like GPS tracking and parking mode are only unlocked through a subscription. Plus, it's a front cam only unit, we don't love that. However, if you don't want to add more complicated tech into your life, the Mini 3 is a perfectly simplified option. Number 4. Miofive S1E Dash Cam. Every drive tells a story, and the Miofive Dash Cam Front S1E car camera turns those stories into memories that never fade. Designed for those who value trust and security on the road, it gives drivers the power to feel protected every second they travel. Whether it is a calm highway ride or a busy city route, this camera captures every detail with striking precision, keeping you confident behind the wheel. Its smooth performance blends technology and comfort, ensuring that your focus remains on the journey, not on worry. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS add an invisible layer of protection, recording every route and moment like a silent guardian. Its clarity during day and night creates an emotional connection between driver and destination, giving peace that every second is recorded truthfully. Each time you turn the key, the Miofive Dash Cam becomes your companion, watching the unseen, capturing what the eyes might miss. For those who believe safety is not optional but essential, this camera transforms every trip into reassurance, every mile into confidence, and every moment into a lasting reminder that your journey truly matters. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. REDTIGER F7N Touch captures your drive journey in stunning 4K UHD resolution with Starvis 2 sensor 170 degrees wide-angle view for the front dash cam and 1080p FHD resolution 140 degrees wide-angle for the rear car camera. Equipped with WDR and HDR technology, the enhanced Super Night Vision ensures better visibility even in low-light situations, providing you with reliable recordings day and night. F7 Touch Dashcam features voice commands, allowing for hands-free control of your 4K car camera, which enhances safety by minimizing distractions. The dual-camera dashcam also has smart touchscreen that can lock emergency video, turn on Wi-Fi, and capture scenery with one click. REDTIGER also retains the buttons. Multiple control methods are integrated. Both Android and iOS users can connect to Dashcam Wi-Fi via the REDTIGER Cam app. Although the Dashcam is installed wired, you can enjoy wireless control on your smartphone, faster 20 MB per second download speed, and share your driving experiences in real time with friends and insurance companies. Car Recorder built-in GPS provides traceable location, speed, and accurate route in the recordings. REDTIGER F7N Touch Dual-Channel Dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory is full, ensuring endless recording with the included 128 GB card. With a built-in G-sensor that detects sudden movements or impacts, it automatically locks and protects the associated footage when an event is detected on the road, ensuring it won't be overwritten during loop recording.